If the infotainment screen is down or having major problems like that, it just does not come on. I guess that's the same thing, but you know what I mean. If it's down, the first step to do in your 2024 Hyundai Kona is to come down here to this panel. I've already got it opened up, forgive me. Open it up, pull it out like that. And there's a fuse for this that's called multimedia. Where did the thing go? Hang on. So there we go. Right there, it is a 25A fuse. So this chart here corresponds to the fuses down here. Find that 25A fuse, and then you'll pull it out. You'll know that the fuse is burnt out right away if in between the two prongs like this, the metal diode that connects them is charred or broken, because that's what's supposed to happen. That's so that the electrical surge happens in a localized place where you can find it in the car. That's why cars and houses have fuses to begin with. So anyways, if you pull that out and it is burnt out, replace it. I'll put an affiliate link to buy new fuses like a 25A. You'll take a 25A to put in there, and that should get your infotainment screen going again. If it doesn't, write in the comments what else is happening, and I'll try to get you pointed in the right direction.